This is Darshana Galchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 2nd, 2025. Happy New Year, everyone! The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 3.43 points or 0.83% to 409.32. Total trade volume was down with 75,697 shares changing hands at a total value of over 472.9 million real, or approximately $117,600. On the main board, 2 stocks were up while 5 were down. Leading the market was the Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, up 1.56% or 180 real to 11,740 real per share, followed by Pestec Cambodia, which was up 1.26% or 30 real to 2,420 real per share. On the downside, Akleda Bank saw the biggest drop, down 2.65% or 200 real to 7,340 real per share, followed by Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, which was down 0.46% or 10 real to 2,160 real per share. Other stocks down were Cam GSM, the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, and the Phnom Penh Autonomous Port. Grand Twins International and MJQ Education, meanwhile, remained flat. Over on the growth board, DBD Engineering was down 1.46% or 30 real to 2,030 real per share, while JS Land still remained flat at 3,420 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 46,422 shares changing hands at a total value of 343.5 million real, or roughly $85,400, which is roughly 61% of total shares traded on January 2nd. The Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority recorded the second highest trade volume of the day, however, with a significant gap to the highest, with only 8,632 shares changing hands at a total value of 54.4 million real, or a little over $13,500, approximately 11% of Thursday's trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened slightly to 4,027 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 108.42. Looking at global commodities, oil prices nudged higher on Thursday, the first day of trade for 2025, as investors returning from holidays cautiously eyed a recovery in China's economy and fuel demand following a pledge by President Xi Jinping to promote growth. Brent crude futures rose 17 cents or 0.06% to $74.82 a barrel after settling up 65 cents on Tuesday, the last trading day for 2024. Gold prices rose, keeping up the momentum from a positive end to a record-breaking 2024, as traders braced for U.S. President-elect Donald Trump's expected policy shifts that will shape the economic and interest rate outlook for the new year. Bullion surged over 27% in 2024, its biggest annual gain since 2010, as the U.S. Federal Reserve's substantial rate cuts, robust central bank purchases, and escalating geopolitical tensions boosted it to multiple record highs last year. Spot gold rose 0.4% to $2,633.38 per ounce. U.S. gold futures were 0.2% higher at $2,645.30. Stock futures were slightly higher as trading got underway for 2025, with hopes that the market can regain the momentum that propelled it to log 2 straight years of annual gains above 20%. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 162 points or 0.38%, while S&P 500 futures added 30 points or 0.51%. Nasdaq 100 futures rose 154 points or 0.73%. This was Darshana Galchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for January 2nd.